Today we're going to learn how to create our own activity, a busy book. So first we need to you need to know what kind of a busy book you are creating. So you need to choose a theme for your book. So with choosing the theme, then after that you need to know what kind of dimensions are you going to use. Today we're going to create 11 inches by 8.5. so let's go to custom size, and then we choose inches 11. Just make sure that you put 11 there, and then you 0.5, and then you create the new design. The first page will be about the book this book belongs to. So let's just come and where, and then we put it here, and then we go to the border style, and then we're gonna choose this straight lines. So we're gonna leave it like that, and then we come to colors, and then we need to change the color to white. Okay, and then we go back again to grab this square again, and we're gonna put it here, and then we need the line. We're gonna put the line here, and then we duplicate the line. We're gonna put this one here. Okay, so we're gonna search for the suitable animals to add to make our book looks cute. So we're gonna put it here, and then we're gonna look for the text. I'm gonna put it here, and then we're gonna write this, and then we increase the sizes of the letters, and we put them together like that. Okay, so this is perfect. I'm gonna put it here. So we're gonna look for the fonts for children. We're gonna click here for the fonts. So let's search for children. Blueberry look beautiful, suitable for kids. Okay, then this page is done. Then we move to the next page. Let's duplicate the page, and then we can just remove all these elements, we don't need them. Okay, so the second page will be about the normally the second page should be about the table of contents. So I'm not going to do the table of contents now. Let's just duplicate this, and then we're gonna put it here, and then we're going to write the next activity that we are going to create. So we're gonna create a find and connect. So we need to write find and connect on this. Okay, and then so we're gonna go to elements, and then we are looking for those elements that we're going to use. So these are the animals that we're going to be using. Let's just put them here. Let me put this one here, and then put this one here. No, it'll be here, and then this one will be here. It around horizontally so that they can face each other. So you're gonna come to elements and search for zigzag line. So you're gonna find different types of zigzag. So you're gonna choose the one that are actually suitable for what you are doing. Let's take this one, and then we're gonna put it here. Okay, so you can just duplicate and then do as many as you prefer. If maybe you want 10, then duplicate until 10, but make sure that you remove all these animals and put different animals and put a different zigzag. Okay, so we're moving to the next page, and then we're gonna do a shadow matching. So let me duplicate this color and then put it on the next page, and also duplicate this border and put it here. And then this page is about shadow matching. Let's write shadow matching. Okay, so we're gonna match the animals with the shadow elements. Let's delete this one and then let's go to see all. So here, this way we're gonna get different animals. So let's put this one here. Let's put this animal here, and then we duplicate it, and then we edit here, and then we come to edit, and then you go to a duotone. You choose a duotone on effects, and then you go down and then choose mono, and then you go down and then you go to highlights, and then you use the pen picker to choose the color that you want. So we want the most darkest color, so we've chosen this one. So we're gonna leave it like that. So we've done with the first one. So we're going back to the elements, and then we're looking for a different animal that we can use to do the same. So we found this one, and then we're gonna do the same by going to edit. Before we go to edit, we can just duplicate it and then put it here, somewhere here, and then we go to edit, and then we're gonna look for the duotone on the effects, and then we scroll down and then find the mono, and then that's when we're going to find the highlights, and then we click on that highlights, and then you use the pen picker to pick the color. We need the dark color. So we are done. We're fine with this one. And then we're gonna look for another animal to do the same. So we are still searching for the animal that we can actually use to create this beautiful a book for our kids. So the edit, and scrolling down to effects, and then select duotone, and then we go down again, and then we choose mono. We go down again, we go to highlights, click on it, and then pick the pen, and then we select the color. All right, yes, you can see that some of the elements, some of the colors, they are not we cannot change the color. So we're gonna delete it, and then we go back and look for the animals that can be changed. Let's take this crab, change the size, put it here, and then we duplicate it, go to edit, duotone. Okay, we choose mono. As you can see already, the color has changed. So we're gonna grab the color picker, and then we change the color. So we are done. So with this one, you can also do as many as you prefer. So we're gonna go to the next page, which is going to be the learning alphabet. So we're gonna go to elements again, and then we're gonna look for before we go there, let's get this, and then we put it here, and then we're gonna put it in with remove that one, making sure that it's seated nicely, and then we put it where it actually is suitable to be added. So we need to change the activity details here. So we're gonna say color me 8 up to Z. Okay, so here is gonna be color me. This is another activity. So here we're going to add animal that start with an A. So let's just go to recent, and then we're gonna look for the angel. So this is the animal we're going to use, is the angel fish. So we're gonna put the angel fish here, and then we duplicate this sentence or this word, and then we're gonna put angel fish, So you're gonna edit here, and then on this we're gonna go to text. So we need to put in A, B, C, D, E, F until Z. So I'm only gonna make only just 2 or 3, just to give you a hint on what you can actually create this. You can do it with any theme. You can do a farm animals, you can just do anything that you actually love. Okay, so here we're gonna put A. Okay, so we're gonna put the A here, the small A there, and then we're gonna click on the A, the big A, and we go to the fonts. We're looking for school fonts. Let's just search school dotted fonts, KG primary dots. So we're gonna use KG primary dots. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the small A, and then we do the same. Canva student fonts, and there is this one, a KG primary dots. So okay, either one is actually working, so it's up to you. And then we can increase the size just to make it visible. Okay, so we've got the first one, which is the angel fish, and then the kids will be coloring this fish, and then they will be again tracing the A here, and then they will be knowing that this is an angel fish. So let's just move to the next animal. So let's put A. On this one we're gonna be B. Okay, and then the second fish will be, let's just go to elements, and then we're gonna search which fish was it, the beluga fish. So we're gonna write here. So we're gonna move to the next activity. Let's add the page, the square, and then we're gonna put the square here. Okay, and then on this we're gonna get this small, we're gonna need this square, and then we paste the size of the square, and then we duplicate the square. Before we duplicate, let's go to the borders. So we need to add a border for this square, just like that. And then you can just change the color to black and white, and to no color, sorry. And then after that you duplicate, and then you duplicate again, just like that. Let's just move this border, and then you can just group it together. Let's just duplicate it so that it can be on top of this border. Okay, and then we duplicate it again, and then we put it here. Okay, and then we must look for the animal that we're going to use. Then we can just take this one, and then we put it here. Let's go to text, and then we choose anyone, and then we're gonna put D, and then we're gonna put it here, and then we duplicate the D, we put it O, we duplicate the O, dolphin. So we're gonna just add another one. We can just put G, even though it does not belong here. So how many letters is for dolphin? Is 7. 1, 2, and group this, and then we add another square. So we are done with this page. Okay, then we duplicate, and then we remove this. And then what else can we add? We need to add another different animal, so let's put the crab. So let's remove some of the letters, and then we can just put C here. For crab is only 4, so we're gonna remove this. We're gonna remove A, let's just put Y is for letters. Okay, and then you do the same just like the other ones. If you want to create 10 of these or 15 of these, it depends with your preference. So I'm gonna just leave this one and then add another page for the different activities. So with this, let's just duplicate this and then we put it, and I put it here. We can say this activities for trace the shape. So we're gonna add this triangle, we're gonna add the square, and then in order for us to have a traceable triangle, let's just click on the triangle and go to the border. So on the border we need to choose the lines that we prefer, the border lines that we prefer. So I'm gonna choose this one, and then after that I go to the colors and then I choose the non-color. You see, now we've got a traceable triangle, easy like that. So we're gonna choose this way. Oh my god. And then we do the same as the triangle. So we go into the borders and then we choose go to the colors and then we choose the colorless activity book for the kids. So, and when you're done, you can just come to share and then you create, you just go and create you need to create the cover for the book. So at the end of the day you will have something like this. You see how amazing it looks. This looks so beautiful. So I also haven't done with my book. I still have to finish this. I need to put everything together to understand which page is what, so that I can actually put it on the table of the contents. So you can just start with the table of the contents. It's up to you how you do your things. We do things differently. So I think we came to the end of our session. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Up until next time, bye bye.